Now we will access these features. Now you can see scale, protectors, all these things, and compass and all. We'll choose this one. Okay. Yes, see, you can see all these scales, instrument central compass, protector, right? This is okay. Now I'll choose this one. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So this one is the source button. Anyhow, I mean the smart board, if laptop or PC is connected, it can take that feed here also. Okay. So if I choose this OPS, now OPS is not there. If it is connected, it will be shows like here, the PC one Windows platform. Here you can open it anything, and here you can write it, whatever the content is available here. Okay. Now here one more options, this hierarchy table, right? Now see, if you want to write something, here CEO, COO, right, IT head, right, here HR, add, it takes automatically, right? This is something we are getting. So the Google one. Okay, so Google account, Google email services you can get here, right? Now if you have videos in your pen drive, or maybe if it is available in the storage, Smartboard storage, you can brought it here. You can bring it here. Now this is the browser one. So browser, here I'll click here HEAR2 heart. Now this is, now see, you can bring it here. This is the new page. I want this pics to be here, so I have to click, it will get pasted here automatically. Now I can do maximize and minimize, right? Here I will close this one, and I will write about the image one. This is left anterior, this is arteries, right? Like this you can do the presentation. This is the voting subject also, you have it. Please enter your voting subject. exit pole, right? Option 1 VP, Congress, like that, anything up, right? Next step, single choice, start voting. So it generates this QR code, and the students or anyone can take a scan of it. So they get actually the options, they can vote, and the result will be shown here itself only. Okay. So here, this is the note 1. Suppose my subject is maths, so I can write here math, like this one. Okay, now the last options, I've clicked periodic table of the elements, we'll be getting here, right? Copy, again it will be pasted, cut, again this is like this one. Okay, so these options, suppose it is showing the all the this one, whatever we can see here, it will be show. Suppose if I want only this on the board, it will show like this one. Okay, and if I suppose if this is math only, if I want to show, you can see, canvassing we can do, canvassing, okay, as much as which particular area zone you want to focus, from these options you can opt for. I'll opt for the both two, it will show both two only. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now we'll go with these options. Let's see how many tools we have. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, hotspot, power off, screenshot, spotlight, timer, black screen. If we click black screen, all of a sudden it gives the entire black if they want to hide something. If you touch it, come back again. The brightness level also, sound, this is a sound one, this is brightness also. You can adjust brightness, the sound volume also you can adjust. There are apps. Okay, these are available, already available. If you click how many pages or how many sessions we had, so we can delete also, so that now this is the one only. Okay, and this is, if you click, it redirects to the home page. Okay.